Ari Rios with Music Mastery, and in this video I'm going to discuss the harmonic series and chromatic scale on the trumpet. So what is the harmonic series? It's a long name, but all it means is all of the notes that you can play on the trumpet without pressing any vowels down. So for example, you can play C. You can play G. And you can keep going. All of those notes are part of the harmonic series because I'm not pressing any of the vowels down. So that's important to know. Whenever you know your harmonic series, it makes learning fingerings much easier. So let's talk about that. Let's say we start at that first note, the low C, and we need to go down to a low F sharp. You might have to pull out your fingering book to double check with these if you're a beginner, but I'll go ahead and run through them really fast. So here's C, and the next fingering for B is second valve, B flat, first valve, A, 1 and 2, A flat, 2 and 3, G, 1 and 3, and then F sharp, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so those actually are all the fingerings you need for the entire range of the trumpet. You only have to learn 7 fingerings to play the trumpet. And it just so happens that those fingerings are in the same order when you start from each note in the harmonic series. So let's think about that. The harmonic series starts with a C. And we know if we need to go down that we do this combination from earlier. Look at the first couple notes. So it goes open, 2, 1, 1 and 2. Okay? That's pretty easy. Now what if we start at G and we want to work our way down again? It's again going to be open for G, 2 for F sharp, 1 for F, 1 and 2 for E. Same exact thing. And of course we could keep going and it will be the same order from G. So again, C, it looks like this, super fast. G down, it looks like this, G, F sharp, F, E, E flat, D, C sharp. And then maybe we're going from middle C, so the third space C. Again, we're going to start open, 2, 1, 1 and 2, and we're going to go from there. What we run into is as we get higher, the number of notes that we cycle through in the sequence gets smaller. So when you're going from a C or a G, you'll use all of the notes in the sequence. But let's say you're going from a high G, a G that's right on top of the staff. You're actually only going to use 2 and 1 because the next note is E and that's open, and that starts the next round of the valve sequence. So again, G is open 1, 2, but then whenever you get back to E, you restart that sequence, open 1, 2. So this might take some thinking about to understand. I know it took me a while to figure out, but if you can look at where the open notes are on the trumpet and just memorize this sequence, again, open, 2, 1, 1 and 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, then you will be able to play any note on the trumpet. So that being said, let's play a chromatic scale, and we're going to start on a middle G and play down to a low G. And if you'll notice, my fingers will go in the same order 2 times. So we're going to start on a second line G and work our way down. Replay that and see, do my fingers move in the same order? Because you'll find that they do. They have the same exact fingerings and it's just repeated. So if you're a little bit more advanced, you can also do the upper octave. But this one, with the harmonic series, is a little bit more tricky because you have to know how many notes it goes through before it jumps to the next note in the harmonic series. So we'll start on a high G and we'll work our way down to a second line G. Again, replay that, and you'll notice that after every single open note, I always go 2, 1. It's pretty cool. Nice little pattern for us to memorize, so that way we can make trumpet playing super easy. Alright, so let's go ahead and, now that we've figured out how it works on the way down, let's just go ahead and play a 2-octave chromatic scale from low G through second line G, up to high G, and back down. Great job. And you can do it at any tempo you want, take breaths as you need, but I think the most important part about learning your chromatic scale is knowing your harmonic series and knowing that sequence, and it'll make it 10 times easier. Alright, thank you very much. That was how to play your chromatic scale.